drive wasn't too bad for you guys. Good to see everybody. My name is Mike Azzam. I'm with the Azzam Group of RE Haven. We are a full-service real estate company. Sales, construction, property management. We specialize in streamlining the acquisition process from purchase to property management. This is right up our wheelhouse, and for you guys, this gives you an opportunity to kind of see a full-service team. I appreciate the opportunity to collaborate and work with a very successful real estate group. Appreciate seeing you guys again. We're in Parma. This is a B+, A- type neighborhood. What's great is, we're right off the highway, so it's pretty convenient. We bought this and we're on the 4th unit that we've renovated now, and we've done a number of exterior and common area repairs, so it's pretty updated here. Instead of having everybody in one vacant unit, we'll split it up. There's plenty of common space to walk around and exterior. Half of us will go inside, half of us will hang tight. We got this house for, with wholesale fees, about $20K. We've put in about $80,000 here. This is a massive rehab. 2 units, each unit's 2-bed, 1-bath. There's still a couple of buttoning up items that need to get handled. Hot water tanks are gonna get installed soon. But overall, it's pretty turnkey. Roof was replaced, mechanicals, plumbing, the back porches, windows. You guys, I think, will get a pretty good idea and pretty good understanding here. The numbers are eye-popping on this. Low taxes, low insurance, and relatively low purchase price. We manage it currently. We have an entire scope of work if you guys are interested, want to see it. And otherwise, we'll be walking around with you. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks everybody for coming out. Obviously, we're wrapping up here, but I appreciate you guys making the trip out here. I think we got most of your information. We'll add you in, we'll get you guys set up with some property searches, off-market deals. If you guys want to schedule a consultation with myself, one of our agents, feel free to reach out. We'll set something up with you guys, kind of dive in a little bit deeper and maybe investment strategies and goals. I'm happy to discuss, answer any questions. Hopefully today was informative. Educational. Hopefully you guys got to see different parts of the Cleveland market maybe you guys weren't aware of otherwise, but we got a lot of opportunities, a bunch of different routes we can take. I'm potentially excited to work with each and every one of you guys. So there's plenty of inventory here. There's a lot of opportunity. So there's a chance for every single one of you guys to grow a pretty solid, stable portfolio here. Ryan, Catherine, they'll be ready. Chris in the background. I got 4 or 5 other investor agents ready. So you guys will be working with one of our guys very intimately. Again, appreciate it. Hopefully it was helpful, and maybe we'll see you guys soon.